What if a vaccine could protect you from cancer? In an era where medicine and science break previously unimaginable barriers, this possibility might be closer than we think. Discover how we're moving closer to making this a reality. 1. The genesis of hope. The pivotal moment in our story is President Vladimir Putin's declaration that Russia stands on the threshold of a medical revolution, the creation of cancer vaccines. This announcement, not just a statement of progress but a proclamation of hope, marks a significant milestone in the global fight against cancer. It's a testament to years of research, dedication, and the undying human spirit to overcome one of the most daunting challenges in medical history. The genesis of this hope is not just a narrative about scientific endeavor, but a beacon that illuminates the potential for a future where cancer may be vanquished through prevention and targeted therapies. 2. A glimpse into the past. The quest for cancer vaccines is a saga that spans decades, tracing back to the earliest days of immunology and oncology. The concept of using the body's immune system to fight cancer has evolved from theoretical musings to experimental treatments, and now, potentially, to practical solutions. This journey has been marked by groundbreaking discoveries, such as the development of the HPV vaccine, which has drastically reduced the incidence of cervical cancer globally. Each step forward in this journey reflects the cumulative wisdom, perseverance, and collaborative spirit of the scientific community. 3. The mechanism unveiled at the heart of cancer vaccines lies a simple yet profoundly complex idea: training the immune system to recognize and destroy cancer cells. This strategy involves identifying specific antigens, proteins, on cancer cells that the immune system can target. Once these antigens are identified, vaccines can be developed to prime the immune system to attack cancer cells harboring these markers. This approach represents a paradigm shift from traditional treatments, focusing on the body's natural defenses rather than directly attacking the cancer through chemotherapy or radiation, thus potentially minimizing side effects and improving quality of life. 4. Global efforts and collaborations. Russia's announcement is a single thread in the larger tapestry of global efforts to develop cancer vaccines. Around the world, scientists and researchers are pooling their knowledge, resources, and expertise to tackle this challenge. The collaboration between the UK government and BioNTech, for example, underscores the international nature of this quest, leveraging mRNA technology that was pivotal in the rapid development of COVID-19 vaccines. These collaborative efforts are a powerful reminder of how shared challenges can unite diverse groups towards a common goal. 5. The challenge of diversity. Cancer's complexity is mirrored in its diversity, with over 200 known types, each with its unique profile of mutations. This diversity is one of the greatest challenges in developing cancer vaccines. A vaccine effective against one type of cancer may be ineffective against another due to different antigen profiles. This necessitates a highly personalized approach to vaccine development, where treatments are tailored to the individual's specific cancer profile. Despite these challenges, the pursuit of cancer vaccines continues, driven by the promise of a more personalized and effective approach to cancer treatment. 6. The promise of mRNA technology. The success of mRNA technology in COVID-19 vaccines has ushered in a new era of vaccine development. This technology allows for the rapid design and production of vaccines that can be easily tailored to target specific cancer antigens. The flexibility and efficiency of mRNA vaccines represent a significant advantage in the fight against cancer, offering the potential for developing vaccines that can be customized for individual patients based on the unique genetic makeup of their tumors. This innovative approach could revolutionize cancer treatment, making it more effective, less invasive, and potentially available to a wider population. 7 success stories and inspirations. The journey toward the development of cancer vaccines is illuminated by beacons of success that have already made significant impacts in the fight against cancer. The human papillomavirus, HPV, vaccine stands out as a prime example, offering a glimpse into the potential future of cancer prevention. By significantly reducing the incidence of cervical cancer, the HPV vaccine has not only saved lives but also served as a powerful inspiration for researchers and scientists worldwide. These success stories underscore the potential of vaccines to not just treat but prevent cancer, paving the way for a future where many cancers could be stopped before they even start. The Russian approach. While specific details of Russia's cancer vaccine development remain sparse, the announcement itself is a bold assertion of the country's commitment to advancing medical science and oncology. The Russian approach, as heralded by President Putin, suggests a focus on cutting-edge immunomodulatory drugs and the promise of a new generation of cancer vaccines. This initiative is not an isolated endeavor but a part of the global tapestry of scientific research aimed at harnessing the immune system's power to fight cancer. As details emerge, the world watches with bated breath, hopeful for a breakthrough that could add a crucial weapon to the cancer treatment arsenal. 9. The psychological battle. The battle against cancer is fought on 2 fronts: the physical and the psychological. The prospect of cancer vaccines brings not just the hope of a new treatment, but also a profound psychological uplift for patients, families, and caregivers. The mental and emotional journey of cancer diagnosis and treatment is fraught with anxiety, fear, and uncertainty. The development of vaccines as a preventive measure introduces a new narrative of empowerment and hope, potentially transforming the cancer experience from one of despair to one of optimism and control over one's health destiny. 10. The ethical and logistical challenges. The path from laboratory discovery to bedside treatment is laden with ethical considerations and logistical hurdles. Questions of accessibility, affordability, and ethical distribution loom large, especially in a world where healthcare disparities are stark. The ethical imperative to ensure that cancer vaccines, once developed, are made available to all segments of the global population underscores the need for international cooperation and policy making that prioritizes health equity. Moreover, the logistical challenge of manufacturing, distributing, and administering vaccines on a global scale requires innovative solutions and partnerships between governments, industry, and nonprofit organizations. 11. The next steps. The announcement of Russia's close proximity to creating cancer vaccines marks the beginning of a new chapter in the long history of cancer research. The next steps involve rigorous clinical trials to ascertain safety and efficacy, extensive peer review to scrutinize the research findings, and ultimately, regulatory approvals that pave the way for public use. These processes are crucial for ensuring that the vaccines are not only effective but also safe for widespread application. As these steps unfold, the global scientific community remains engaged in a collective effort to translate the promise of cancer vaccines into reality, heralding a new era in cancer prevention and treatment. 12. A vision of the future. Envisioning a future where cancer vaccines are a reality invites us to imagine a world transformed by science and solidarity. In this future, cancer may no longer be the specter it is today, but rather a manageable condition, preventable through vaccination. This vision encompasses not just the scientific breakthroughs that make it possible, but also a global commitment to health equity and access. It's a future built on the foundation of today's research, the dedication of scientists, and the unity of nations in pursuit of a common goal. As we stand on the brink of potentially revolutionary advances in cancer treatment, we are reminded of the power of human ingenuity and collaboration in facing the challenges of our time. If the journey through groundbreaking medical advancements has captured your interest, don't stop here. Hit subscribe to join us in uncovering the future, like to show your support, and share to spread the word.